What's up, everybody? Today we're messing with this seat right here. Already got the plastic pulled off of the sides and the cup holders off there. So all the Mustang seats are black. This is great. I'm gonna attempt to use some of this duplicate vinyl and fabric coating right here and try to dye these things black. Everything will be a lot closer to matching anyway. But already got it blown off real good. I wanted to use this soft bristle brush and brushed it while I was blowing air on it too. Got to knock anything loose that's on there. But I watched another video. This guy said that I use a brush kind of like this right here, and after he put the paint or the dye, paint, whatever you want to call it on there, he would rub it real good and make sure that it rubbed in there, because if it didn't, he said it would get stiff, especially if you put it on there too thick. It'll get real stiff and like you would expect paint to do on fabric. So I'm gonna attempt this to see what happens. There she is. I don't think it looks too bad. It's not all splotched or anything. I don't really have any big streaks or anything that are noticeable to me anyway. But I got a Mustang seat right here. Passenger side that I already pulled out. I mean, I'm trying to drag it a little closer, but they look pretty similar in color. The sun's shining on both of them. I mean, I won't say it's perfect, but it's pretty close. That looks too bad. Try to do real light coats on it so it wouldn't have big wet spots or anything like that. Yeah, I think that'll work pretty good. Been debating on painting the cup holder in the sides of the seat right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Throw a little coat on there and see how it holds up. Wipe it down real good 2 or 3 times with some wax and grease remover. Get all the, if there's any armor on anything like that. There's no sheen to it at all. Now you can look at it, it's all just flat, so you can tell it doesn't really have any grease on it. Clean it up real good, and I'm gonna throw some paint on it, I reckon. There we go, there's 3 coats. It's not too bad. I can get inside there real good. You get those rubber pieces that go inside of there. But I can pull that off if I need to and recoat it later on. pretty easy to get to. There's that side piece. So I didn't read the instructions good enough. It said to scuff it up, and I didn't even scuff it, so hopefully it sticks pretty good. And if it doesn't, I guess it's my fault. Another thing I overlooked when I was doing this is I should have got some adhesion promoter and used it. Because anytime you paint plastic, you really need to have adhesion promoter to help it stick. There it is, got it all back together. Put the side plastics on. I got in there, put some more paint in there so it's not all crappy looking until I get those rubber pieces. Yep. Got that piece right there trimmed out for the wires to come through. Cleaned up the edges a little bit where I had to trim it to match the contour of the floor. Put some paint on them. She's about ready to toss back in. Yep, got her done. Go around the shop. Look at that brand new can of adhesion promoter. Been handy to have about 3 hours ago. But it is what it is. I think it'll work just fine. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.